In this video tutorial, we are going to learn everything about how to create and edit a post with new WordPress editor. So let's get started. So, we are logged in our WordPress dashboard. From these left-hand side options, navigate on Post. Now the sub-options opened. So we are going to choose the second one, this Add New option. Click on it. So here it is showing you a welcome message. Close this up. So here we are. You can add your post title here. Write it up here. And below here, your blog content will come. Type up or paste it if you've already written it. So here we have our post content. You can do formatting also. Suppose you want to bold. Then select the text and click on this bold button. You can change block type or style from here. Then you can move a block up or down from here, like this. Also, if you want to insert a backlink, you can add it with this button. It will open up and ask for the URL you want to insert it. Click on this Apply button and it's inserted successfully, as you can see. So now you can also change the font size from here. You can select a normal, large, or huge font. And you can turn on Drop Cap option also for showing large initial letters. You can change the color setting from here, background color and text color. Then we can also make changes in Documents from this Documents tab here. It has options like tags, excerpt, discussion, etc. After completion, click on this Publish button. Set your visibility, time, and tags, and publish it. So here it is showing it's live, and you can view your post from here. And here it is, with all the formatting we have done. You can check the backlink from here. It's working just fine. And a little below, you can see your post is uncategorized. So we are done now with our post. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to learn about how to create and edit content by using a powerful WordPress plugin. WordPress Classic Editor. See you in the next video tutorial.